Have you tried downloading an app on App Store or get access to a service on your iPhone but get blocked because it is not available in your country? Or you have moved to a new country and you want your phone to match up with a new location, your current location. Now in today's video and with this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your iPhone location to a different location, the country. Yes, changing your country to a different country. Yes, it is simple and does not require any complicated step. Now welcome back to your tech studios. Here is your tech studios. Here we teach about the tricks, the tips, and the hacks that can help you to improve technology and other things. Now let's get started. And before we get started, grab your phone and follow along and let's get started. All right, so now the first thing we're going to do is to open our settings. I'm talking about this application. Yes, this application. This is the setting app. Yes, so now let's tap on it. So now after tapping on it, what we are going to do is we are going to find a particular feature known as general. Now this is the general. So if you know this particular feature is not available on your iPhone, then I think your iPhone is fake. Yes. All right, so now let's dive right in. So now we have general here. So what you're going to do is to tap on it. Now I've tapped on it. Now the next thing that we are going to do is we have to look for a particular feature known as language and region. Now when we look at this place, we have about, software updates, iPhone storage, Apple Care warranty, and blah 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 blah. So we are going to scroll up and look for language and region. All right, so now let's tap on it. Where is it? All right, so here is language and region. Let's tap on it. So after tapping on it, when you look at top here, we have language and region. Preferred languages, we have English, we have Chinese, that's traditional. We also have Akan. Yeah, I'm in Ghana, so our language that we speak here is Akan. Yes. So now look at this place. We have region, where is Ghana. We have calendar, where is what? Gregorian. We have temperature, that is degrees Celsius. We have measurement system, that's metric. And the first day of the week, that's Monday. Date format and number format. Yes, so this is how you can make some edits in your numbers, your date format, and other things. Now we are going to look at the location aspect, that's region. Now when you look at the region here, we have Ghana. Yes, it means I'm in Ghana now. Yes, I'm in Ghana now. So if I want to change my location or my country to United States, I can do it now. Yes, in less than 30 seconds without any complicated step. So now what you're going to do is to tap on Ghana. Yes, now we have so many countries here. Yes, so now what are you going to do? So assuming you've tried to download an app on App Store and they've blocked you because that particular app is not available in your country. So now just go and search where that particular application can be found. The country. Yes, so when you come, then you tap here. Yes, then you search for that particular country. So assuming Italy. So it means assuming you want to download Sportybet and Sportybet is not available in Ghana and is available in Italy rather, I can just tap here Italy, then continue from that place. It is simple and does not require any complicated step. So now what you're going to do is I'm going to change my location from Ghana to United Kingdom. So now let me type United. So now after tapping United, we have United States, United Arab Emirates. We also have United Kingdom. Yes, United States, Arab Emirates, and United Kingdom. So now I'm gonna tap on United Kingdom, and now let's see what will happen. It's going to take me back to where we started from, and it's going to do everything for us in less than 5 seconds. All right, so now let's tap on it. All right, now it has taken us back. Now what are we going to do? Let's go over again. General, then we move to language and region. Yes. Now our country has changed from Ghana to United Kingdom. You see, it's not difficult. Yes. So this simple thing, you can't do it and you have been blocking. I hope henceforth you are not going to be blocked by any app or any ads. Yes, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and share, so whenever I release new videos, you'll be notified. Why not sharing? Share for others to also